friends, welcome to Sub Veggie. Today we are going to learn gobi paratha recipe. Gobi paratha is a paratha having delicious stuffing of gobi. As with all stuffed parathas, the process for making this one also is largely similar and only varies in terms of preparation of stuffing. However, this is where the crux lies, and the use of potato, onion, coriander and perfectly balanced spices sets apart this recipe from others. Now we coming to ingredients: 1.5 cups plus half cup wheat flour, maida, that is all purpose flour 1 cup, 1 cup grated cauliflower, that is gobi, and 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and 5 to 6 green chilies, 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander leaves, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, and 2 tablespoons butter, 5 teaspoons plus for shallow frying oil. Now water as required, salt as per your taste, now we'll see directions to prepare. Mix flour, 2 teaspoons oil and salt in a small bowl. Add water as required in small incremental quantities, and knead a smooth dough like chapati or roti dough, and grease the surface of dough with a 1 teaspoon oil and cover it with a green muslin cloth and keep aside for 15 minutes and let it set at room temperature. In the meantime, prepare stuffing. Heat 2 teaspoons oil in a pan on a medium flame. Add cumin seeds. When they start to crackle, add finely chopped onion and salt until it turns light brown. Add ginger garlic paste, green chili and salt for approximately 30 seconds. Now add grated cauliflower and salt for a minute. Add salt and mix well. Now sprinkle some water, approximately 2 tablespoons, and cook covered over low flame until cauliflower is tender, approximately 6 to 7 minutes. Stir in between occasionally to prevent sticking. And add garam masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, lemon juice and coriander leaves. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes and add grated boiled potato. Now mix properly and turn off the flame. Gobi stuffing is ready, and let it cool for 5 to 7 minutes. Divide it into 6 equal portions. Now divide dough into 6 equal parts and give them a round shape of ball. Take one dough ball, press it between your palms or on roti making board and make flat patty. Dust dry wheat flour over it. Place it on rolling board or roti making board and roll it out into a thick circle of approximately 4 to 5 inch diameter. Put one portion of stuffing in the center. And enclose it by pulling all round surface towards top. Seal the edges and again give a round shape of ball. Gently press stuffed ball on the rolling board and give it a shape of patty. Now coat it with the dry flour and roll it out into raw stuffed paratha of approximately 6 to 7 inch diameter, like roti or chapati, having approximately half centimeter thickness. And place it on a hot tawa or griddle and cook over medium flame. Flip and spread half teaspoon oil evenly on each side with the help of spatula and cook each side for approximately 30 to 40 seconds. Now flip and cook until golden brown spots appear on both sides. Spread butter on gobi paratha and prepare parathas from remaining dough balls in the same process. Serve them hot with potato curry and your favorite sour and spicy pickle. Soft and mild spicy parathas. There are endless ways in which gobi ka paratha can be served. Taste irresistible yummy when served with the mint raita or plain curd, and it makes wholesome Punjabi meal when served with matar paneer, tomato chutney and a glass of salted lassi. The real gobi paratha, very much love to eat it as a healthy and stomach filling breakfast with tea or coffee as well. Wrap it in aluminium foil and pack it in your kids' lunchbox. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.